record this lesson for those who have low or poor internet connection, or for those students who are not able to join us today. Again, our topic is all about cell organelles, specifically the differences between the plant cells and the animal cells in terms of the organelles that are present or the organelles that are absent. Okay, so let's continue. So this is what kind of cell? Kuya Reynald, is it a plant cell or an animal cell?
Sure, animal cell.
Thank you very much. So that's correct. This is an animal cell. And if you will see, there are structures or different organs, little organs inside our cell. So we already learned about this last year. So we are going to review. Anybody, can you raise your hand and identify any organelle in this animal cell? Raise your hands, ha? Virtual hands. Any.
Your vacuole, nucleus, nucleolus.
Okay, Kuya Yuri, raise your hand, ha? So let me call on Reynald. He raised his hand. Kuya Reynald, what number are you going to identify?
9, mitochondria.
Okay, so 9, this one, the bean-shaped organelle here is what we call as the mitochondria or the mitochondrion. And what is the function of our mitochondria? Do you know, Kuya Reynald, the function of the mitochondria? Okay.
Powerhouse.
Thank you very much. So the key word for mitochondria is powerhouse. So this is also called as the powerhouse of the cell because this is where the energy that is used by the cells are created. So it is in the form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. So all of the ATP that the cell uses is actually created in the mitochondria. How about Kuya Kadesh? Can you identify one organelle and its function?
Yung teacher.
Number 3. Okay, so ribosome is the number 3. These are the spheres or spherical organelles that is embedded. And what is the function of the ribosomes, Kuya Kadesh?
They make proteins.
They make proteins, and these are the areas or the site for protein synthesis or the creating of proteins. That is correct. How about Kuya Gian? Can you identify one organelle, please?
Number 1.
Number 1, and number 1 is called as?
Nucleolus.
Nucleolus. And what is the function of the nucleolus?
It is the
Kuya Gian, Jared,
it is the main function of the cell.
Okay, and Jared is willing to help Gian. Kuya Jared, what is the function of a nucleolus?
It makes ribosomes.
Okay, so the nucleolus is the one that creates the ribosomes. And like Kadesh said, the ribosomes, these are the ones that creates the proteins. Thank you very much, Gian and Jared. Okay, I see Yuri raising his hands. Kuya Yuri, can you identify another organelle and its function?
Sure. 6 is Golgi apparatus.
Okay, so number 6 is the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi body or the Golgi complex. Now, what is the function of this Golgi apparatus?
Sure, I think it moderns the proteins that given by the mitochondria.
Okay, so yes, it modifies the proteins that is created by the ribosomes. And then after it modifies it, what does it do? Yes, Kadesh.
delivers to different cells.
Okay, so it is now delivered to the different parts of the cell or the different cells that will actually use it. So once the ribosomes create the proteins are packaged, it is modified,
Packaging
and
cell
delivered
temperature.
by the Golgi body. Okay, thank you very much. Now, let's have Jared. Jared, can you identify one organelle and its function, please?
Um, Number 5, rough ER.
Okay. So number 5, this one, the ones with the ribosomes is what we call as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And what is the function of the rough ER, Jared? After Jared, Ayana, type mo na lang on the chat box yung answer mo, ha? Again, the instruction is identify any organelle, their name, and their function. Okay, so Jared, let's go back to you. What is the function of the rough ER?
It contains ribosomes and it
Therefore,
makes proteins.
Thank you very much. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum actually is called rough because there are ribosomes embedded on its surface. So that's the reason why in the microscope it looks very rough. And because it has these ribosomes embedded to it, it is able to create proteins. Okay? Next, Ayana, if you are here, can you type your answer? Any organelle and then identify its function. While waiting for Ayana, Leonard, can you also do the same? Can you identify one cell organelle and then tell us the function of your chosen organelle? Leonard? Kuya Leonard? Are you here? Nandito naman. Yes, can you give us one organelle and then tell us the function of this organelle? Balikan kita, Kuya Leonard, ha? But you have to identify one organelle and its function. Okay? Next, si Kuya Reynald, let's go back to you. Can you give me another cell organelle and give me their function?
Hold on, wait. Actually, still thinking.
So we have already identified number 1, nucleolus. Number 3, ribosome. Number 5 is the rough ER. Number 6 is the Golgi body. And then number 9 is the mitochondria. So can you give me another cell organelle? We still have 8, 11, 14, 13. Still have 4 and 10. Okay.
11.
11. Wait lang, Reynald, ha? Because Ayana identified number 11 as the cytoplasm. Is that correct? Is this the cytoplasm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what is the function of the cytoplasm?
It's actually a jelly-like substance.
Okay. And they contain all of the cell organelles inside the cell. Okay. Thank you very much. Dunstan is back. Dunstan, can you identify one cell organelle and then tell us the function of this cell organelle? So again, we have already identified 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 11. Can you identify the other organelle, Dunstan? How about si Leonard? Leonard.
Chair.
Identify one cell organelle and then tell us the function of this organelle. Nala kuya kanina pa.
Chair.
Wait lang Kuya Reynald ha. Let's wait for Leonard kasi kanina pa siya tinawag eh. Leonard Eugene, open your camera. Open your camera. I don't know what you're doing and you're not participating in class. I already called you twice. Okay, now give me one organelle and then tell me the function of this organelle. You can look in your notebook. Babalikan kita kuya ha for the third time. You have to be ready. Kadesh, give me one organelle and then its function.
14, Chair. Cell wall.
Number 14?
Cell
Okay.
membrane.
Cell membrane. Okay, wag yung cell wall ha. Cell membrane. And
Sa anin siya plant yun eh.
Okay, what is the function of your cell membrane, Kadesh?
Protects the cell, the cell organelles, and it keeps the shape.
It keeps the shape, it protects, and then it controls what goes in and what goes out of the cell. Okay, anything else? Kuya Prince, can you identify one organelle and then tell me the function of this organelle? Prince Karabakan. Prince? Kuya, open your notebook. I already told you. Get your notebooks ready. Okay, let's go back to Yuri. Kuya Yuri, can you give me one cell organelle and then tell me the function of this cell organelle?
Chair, number 9, Chair.
It's already mentioned the number 9. What else?
Chair.
Wait lang,
Chair,
Reina.
number 11.
Number
11, Chair.
11 is also mentioned. Allah, not listening. What else?
Number 1.
Number
14 ata, Chair.
14 is also mentioned. Allah, nakikinig ba si Kuya Yuri or hindi? Kaka-identify ng 14. Okay, Reynald, can you give me one?
Chair, number 2.
Number 2, and what is number 2?
Nucleus, and
Okay.
the meaning of it produce DNA. It contains the DNA.
Okay, thank you very much. So, nakalimutan na ata ng lahat. One of the easiest organelle to identify is number 2, which is the nucleus. It is the central control of the cell because it contains the DNA. Okay, thank you very much. Gian, can you identify another organelle? One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 11, and 14 has already been identified. So we are looking for 8, 10, 12, 13. Can you identify any of those?
Um,
Okay, let's return to Gian later. Kadesh, can you give me another? You were raising
Number
your hand.
4, Chair.
Number 4, okay.
Lysosomes.
Lysosomes. And what is the function of lysosomes?
Teacher, if the organelle is dead, it's the one that to clean.
Yes, it's called the clean up crew of the cell because it contains enzymes, digestive enzymes that can destroy worn out cells or worn out parts of the cell. Okay, and then number 10 is the vacuole. It can be a vesicle or a vacuole. So it contains, the function of number 10 is for the storage of food and water. And then, of course, 13 is what we call as your cytoskeleton, or the ones that help with the shape of the cell at the same time.
Sir, what's number 7?
I think this is for the movement. It can be a flagella or a cilia. For movement, what do you call this? Locomotion. So number 13 is the cytoskeleton. It produces spindle fibers that helps in the cell division. At the same time, they are also found under the cell membrane, helping maintain the shape of the cell. Okay, so these are our cell organelles that is found in your plant cells. Now, on our next slide, we are going to look at a plant cell. Now, you have to remember that an animal cell has an irregular shape. So, almost spherical ang kanyang shape. Pero when we go to our plant cell, the shape is actually very different. And you have to remember that some organelles can be seen also in your plant cells. So may mga organelles that are here in your animal cells, and you can still see them in your plant cells. But some organelles you can only see in your plant cells. So let's try to identify that. Let's go to our next slide. So this one is our plant cell. So our plant cell is more of rectangular in shape. It has a very specific shape. Hindi siya irregular like the plant cells. Hindi siya irregular such as the animal cells. And like I said, there are some organelles that you can also see here in the plant cells. So can we identify those organelles that can be found both in your plant cell and your animal cell? Raise of hands. Yes, Kadesh.
Nucleus.
Which is number?
4.
Yes. Okay, so the purple one here is your nucleus. So similar to your animal cell, the same function also applies to your plant cell. So the nucleus contains the DNA, which allows it to control the different cell activities. And then the blue one inside is also your nucleolus. And the nucleolus...
So what's number 5?
Wait lang. So the nucleolus here produces the ribosomes. Okay? Number 5 is the nuclear envelope or the membrane of the nucleus. Okay? There are circles here in the nuclear membrane, which is what we call as the nuclear pore. So once the ribosomes are made, it can exit on the nuclear pore. Okay, another raised hand, Gian.
Number 1, cell wall.
Number 1 is the cell wall. Okay, so this is an organelle that we can find only in your plant cell. Okay, so this is only found in the plant cell. So if you will see, your plant cell has 2 membranes, double membrane. One is the cell wall, which is number 1, and then number 2, which is your cell...
Plasma membrane.
Okay, plasma membrane or the cell membrane. Thank you very much, Yuri. So your plant cell has 2 membranes, the cell wall and the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. Okay, thank you very much. So Yuri, can you identify another cell organelle, please?
Sure, number 13.
Number 13.
13, ma'am.
Okay,
Chloroplast.
the chloroplast. And what is the function of your chloroplast?
It can create food, ma'am. It is the organelle that helps create food from the plant, ma'am.
Okay, and it can create food because it contains what? What can be found inside the chloroplast? which
Chlorophyll.
I think, ma'am, protein.
No, it's the chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll is the green coloring pigment that is found only in the chloroplast. So it is only found in your plant cell, which allows the process of photosynthesis, or the process wherein the plants create food using the energy coming from the sun. Okay, Ayana also identified number 7 as the rough ER. Yes, that's correct. So again, the rough ER contains the ribosomes. Therefore, the rough ER creates your proteins. Yes, Reynald.
Sure, number 10, mitochondria.
Favorite ni Reynald yung mitochondria. So yes, number 10 is your mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. It creates the energy needed by the cell. And then Jared said number 9 is probably the smooth ER, but actually no. Number 9 is the Golgi body. So number 9 is the one that modifies, the one that packages and delivers the proteins that are created in the rough ER. Can you tell me where is the smooth ER? What number is the smooth ER?
8.
Number 8, yes. So if number 7 is the rough ER, number 8 is the smooth ER. So this one does not have the proteins embedded on it. And what does the smooth ER create? Jared. If the rough ER creates the proteins, what does the smooth ER do? You forgot? Can anybody help Jared? Yes, Kadesh.
It creates cell products.
Such as?
Yung membrane lipid, yun daw siya.
Lipids, yes. So it creates the lipids and other membrane products. Any other organelle can we identify from the plant cell, Reina?
Oh.
Number 12, vacuoles.
Yes, and specifically this is a water vacuole. So if you will
It's
notice,
big.
yes, in a plant cell, the vacuole is actually very big. That's why sometimes they call it the central water vacuole. And in a plant cell, it does not need to store food because it can create food. So the vacuole functions for the storage of water only. Okay, so in an animal cell, it stores food and water. But in a plant cell, it does not need to store food because the plant cell can create its own food. So the vacuole is only there for the storage of water. Okay, so any other number 3, can somebody identify number 3? This is number 3. Yes, Yuri.
Sure. It is the cytoplasm.
Thank you very much. So yes, it is the cytoplasm, and similar to your plant cell, the cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell where all of your organelles are actually floating. Okay, any other? So I'm going to end our meeting room. It's going to end in a minute. Balik na lang ulit on the same meeting room, same as our